So there is an incorporation of a company, the formation of a company. Before the company is formed, certain preliminary decision as necessary, or the decision as taken by the person known as per promoter. There is a mode of forming incorporated company, and section 12 we have discussed. There is a what is the different mode is there. Okay, how they are forming the company. So there is an any 7 or more persons. So the company has to be formed. Will company to be formed. It is a private public company. So there will be a private company. Any two or more persons associated for any unlawful purpose may subscribe the names to a memorandum of association. So they have to mention their name, subscribe their name because they are allotted. The shares has been allotted to the shareholder. So subscribers means the shareholder. They subscribing their names to a memorandum of association and otherwise complying with the requirement of this act. So as per the act, they have to subscribe the name of their memorandum of association. So in respect of registration, form an incorporated company. So in registration as required, the name has been mentioned in the memorandum. Okay, all the subscribers name as mentioned in the memorandum requirement of the act. In respect of registration form of an incorporated company with or without limited liability. What is with or without limited liability means such a company may be either company limited by shares or company limited by guarantee or unlimited company. Limited by share, there is the unpaid capital for the shareholders has been limited to the shareholders because the shareholders is already bought 10 shares from the company. He has already paid 7 shares. The 3 shares is unpaid capital. He is eligible only to pay unpaid value of shares from the company. So limited by guarantee, whether the shareholders is already bought shares from the company, at the time of winding up, the company has to repay the contribution amount to the particular shareholders of the company. For each members of a company, they have to contribute assets of the company. That is termed as a company limited by guarantee. Unlimited company is the partnership company. So for that, there is unlimited company. Only that person working as a working as a member of the company. There is already the member of the company. So he is only responsible to settle the payment of outsiders. So he has spent some own expenses, personal expenses to settle the payment of outsiders. The company is having responsible. That is termed as an unlimited company. For example, it's a partnership company. So these are the modes they have prepared. 7 or more for public and 2 or more for private. Okay, they have subscribed the names to the memorandum. Okay, on the requirement of the act, registration form of incorporated company. The company may be in limited by shares or limited liability or unlimited liability. So there is a limited by shares, limited by guarantee is a limited liability, unlimited liability coming for unlimited company itself. So that is the incorporation of the company documents has been filled with the registrar, the memorandum of association duly signed by the subscriber. It already mentioned. Article of association also signed by the subscribers. For those who are already by the share from the company, they have to sign that memorandum of association is fundamental document of the company, whether the name of the company is there, address of the company is there, particulars of shareholders are mentioned in the memorandum of association. Article of association is internal regulations they have to follow. So there is a signature has been mentioned by the shareholders. What is the number of shares allotted from the each member? Okay, they have to mention the number of allotted by the each member. They have to sign by the subscriber also. So the agreement is there. Okay, any agreement has been made by the company. You have to individually for appointment as a MD or manager of the company. So they have to attach the document to be filled with the registrar. Okay, after that they have the list of the directors. There is a public company, minimum 3 directors, maximum up to 15 directors as per the company 2013 act. So whether they are having list of directors, they have to mention the number of directors in the company. It's all it's all being important. Okay, and also they have made some there is a declaration is there. Okay, stating that all that requirement of the companies act and other formalities related to registration have been complied with. Okay, so what is the requirement for the registration incorporation? So the company's name. Okay, and also the limited liability and unlimited liability, and also memorandum and association article of association and agreement has been made for the appointment of directors, list of directors. All the requirement has been stating that for the companies act and the formalities related to the registration have been compiled with. Okay, and also this should be signed by any one of the following. All the statement has been requirement has been compiled. Document has been attached. A document has been attached and has been filled to the registrar. Okay, they are verified. Any other formalities related to the registration have been complied with. It has been duly signed by any one of the following: an advocate of the Supreme Court or a High Court, an attorney or pleader entitled to appear before a High Court. Okay, or else a secretary, or else a chartered accountant, in whole-time practice in India, who is engaged in the formation of a company, is also engaged not only as a chartered accountant or secretary, is a whole-time practice in India, and also he is engaged in the formation of the company by the person named in the article as a director, manager or secretary of the company. So stating that all the requirements are other formalities related to registration compiled and signed by the any one of the member to be documents to be filled with the registrar for the incorporation of a company. So after that, the registrar is satisfied all the requirements. They have to compile with by the company and authorized to be registered under the Companies Act 2013 Act, and he shall written and register the memorandum of the articles. Okay, so he has to register the memorandum of articles, written in the memorandum of articles. Any agreement is there for recording appointment of director, has verified all such things. Okay, after that, finally they are issuing the certificate of incorporation. So on the registration of the memorandum of a company, registers a certificate under his hand that the company is incorporated. Okay, so he has given the certification of the registration of the memorandum of a company. Okay, and the company has been incorporated. In the case of a limited company, the company is limited means he has given some verification and the certified it's hand under his hand that the company is incorporated. So given his hand by the company is incorporated, he has certified the company as a, for example, is a limited company mean he has given the certification under his hand, company is incorporated for registration of memorandum of a company, that the company is being limited, he has given a certificate of incorporation. So finally, there is a private company means they can directly commence a business once they receive certificate of incorporation. For the public company means they have to commence a business to raise the required capital and obtain the certificate of commencement of business. Okay, public company has to commence the business once they have only permission only required. Okay, for getting certificate of commencement of business. Once when they receive only after that only they have to enforce the business. So that is the way they have to form the company. Thank you.